Introducing the Lenvi C800, your solution for efficient barcode scanning without breaking the bank. Priced at just $63, this wired handheld scanner is both affordable and versatile, catering to a wide range of needs. With the capability to read both 1D and 2D barcodes, the Lenvi C800 ensures compatibility with various barcode formats, making it a reliable choice for diverse applications. Whether you're managing inventory, processing transactions, or validating tickets, this scanner has you covered. One of its standout features is its seamless connectivity via a USB cable, eliminating the need for complex setup or software installation. Simply plug it into your computer, and you're ready to scan. This user-friendly approach ensures hassle-free operation, even for novice users. What sets the Lenvi C800 apart is its ability to scan barcodes displayed on screens, such as those on smartphones or computer monitors. This makes it incredibly useful for applications like mobile payments or digital ticketing, adding convenience and flexibility to your operations. Moreover, the Lenvi C800 is compatible with a range of operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Android devices, ensuring broad compatibility across various platforms. Whether you're using a desktop computer, laptop, or mobile device, rest assured that this scanner will seamlessly integrate into your workflow. In summary, the Lenvi C800 offers a compelling combination of affordability, simplicity, and versatility, making it a standout choice for anyone in need of a reliable barcode scanning solution. Simplify your operations and enhance efficiency with the Lenvi C800 today.